Banana.
Banana.
Banana? Okay, banana? No.
Hi everyone! Welcome to the Little Chubby Chuster channels. Today we're gonna go banana! Hello. I'm gonna show you 10 different ways to eat them. Are you ready? Let's do it! First one, why don't we just eat the banana raw? Second, frozen banana is the best. You just have a little bit of Nutella and dip it in sprinkle and you got yourself amazing frozen banana. Third, have you ever tried this? Cutting bananas and eating it with rice and soy sauce? This is poor man food and it tastes so good. Or you can just cut up the fresh bananas and then add in the Nutella or sprinkles or whatever you want. Ooh, banana s'mores. I love it so much. It tastes so good. The marshmallow though was a bit big. Had to cut it in half. Look, it just oozes out. Banana muffin in a cup is not so bad. I wouldn't eat it. Kind of look disgusting, to be honest. But you can go ahead and try it. I think there's just way too much egg in the recipe. And microwaving thing is just kind of weird. I don't know. Never made the food taste good. Look at that. Ew. Banana pancakes actually sound pretty good until you cook it and eat it. Like honestly, banana and eggs does not go well. Do not try this at home. Just watch it and rewatch it. But don't try this. Banana smoothie. To be honest, this is so easy to do and I love doing this. Just a little bit of milk, however you want, and I add in the condensed milk instead of sugar. I like my smoothie just a little bit sweet. Yum. Caramelized banana. You can use caramelized bananas in a lot of things. Add in a little sugar and you got yourself caramelized banana. You can put it on pancakes, you can put it on any desserts or ice cream. Now deep fried bananas. Sounds actually pretty good. But to be honest, once it got deep fried, it looked pretty disgusting. Thank you so much for watching the video. Give me one big thumbs up if you like it. Comment and subscribe right down below. And if you want more videos, just here and here.